Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a young woman named Joy. She was a passionate wedding planner, known throughout the island for her infectious smile, her keen eye for beauty, and her ability to turn every love story into a fairy tale. Joy loved her work, but deep down, she dreamed of a love as sweet and harmonious as the island breeze. One sunny afternoon, as she was preparing for a seaside wedding, she met Mark, a talented piano player with fingers that danced across the keys like the waves on the shore. Mark's music was magical. It carried the warmth of Jamaica's sun and the rhythm of its heartbeat. He was gentle, kind, and had a smile that made everyone feel at home. Their worlds collided when Mark was hired to provide music for a wedding Joy was planning. As he played a soft, melodic tune, Joy felt her heart flutter like a butterfly. She watched him, captivated not just by his music, but by the genuine kindness in his eyes. After the ceremony, she found herself lingering, their conversation flowing as naturally as a reggae beat. Over the weeks that followed, Joy and Mark spent more time together, dancing under the moonlit sky, sharing mangoes and laughter, and dreaming about love that was as bright and warm as Jamaica itself. Mark's music became the soundtrack of their growing affection, each note sealing their hearts closer. One beautiful evening, on a lush garden filled with jasmine and hibiscus, Mark took Joy's hand and played her a special tune he composed just for her, an ode to love, hope, and the island's eternal sunshine. As he finished, he looked into her eyes and whispered, "Joy, you're my melody, my harmony, my everything." And with that, surrounded by the island's love and music, they shared their first tender kiss, knowing that their story was just beginning, a story of love, laughter, and endless joy, as vibrant and beautiful as Jamaica itself. And so, in the warmth of the Caribbean sun, Joy and Mark's love blossomed, a perfect symphony of hearts united in happiness forevermore.